So we are on a 4-day road trip to the north of Bali, and this is our first stop in Benugul. We're staying at a hotel that is in the rice terraces, which is £17 per night, and we want to show you around it.
Come with us.
Don't know how, but now I'm healing, and it feels like you make me wanna show my feelings. Don't know how, but now I'm healing, and it feels like you make me wanna show my feelings. I don't know how, but now.
So this is the beautiful guest house that we're staying in. Let me show you around. It's absolutely beautiful. So as you walk through the entrance, you're greeted by these beautiful, beautiful trees, and this place is absolutely flooded with the most beautiful, beautiful flowers. So this place has so many pets. Let me show you the zoo. They have chickens. They have 2 cats. This is one of them. They have a dog. They have 3 rabbits. They have 2 turtles somewhere in the water. Over there, look. Zoom in. And they have a lot of birds. They have a fish pond. Second pond. Third pond. Fourth pond. Fifth pond. Sixth pond. And this is a human pond. And this is the second cat. You're beautiful. And they have many chickens around this place. Scrawny looking things. Loves it.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe.